Hello and welcome to the In Solidum Lawyers channel. Today we will explore the fascinating legal applications of blockchain beyond the world of cryptocurrencies. Join us. When we talk about blockchain, many immediately think of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, this technology goes far beyond the financial realm, significantly making its way into the world of law. Today, we will embark on a journey to explore how blockchain is redefining legal paradigms, not just globally but also in our country, Ecuador. Blockchain essentially is a distributed ledger technology that allows for the creation of an immutable and transparent digital ledger. This fundamental characteristic of blockchain makes it a powerful tool for the legal sector. In the legal realm, reliability, transparency, and immutability are crucial aspects. Blockchain's ability to ensure these elements opens up a world of possibilities in various areas of law, from contract execution to copyright protection and record management. One of the most innovative uses of blockchain in law is the creation and management of smart contracts. There are not contracts in the traditional sense, but computer programs that automatically execute when certain predefined conditions are met. Imagine, for instance, a lease agreement or a warranty that self-executes without the need for intermediaries. This not only saves time and resources, but also reduces legal disputes arising from contract interpretation or non-compliance. In Ecuador, as in many other jurisdictions, we are beginning to understand and adopt the implications of this technology. Although the path to full integration of blockchain into our legal system is complex and full of regulatory challenges, the steps we are taking are firm and promising. The international recognition of the benefits of blockchain in the legal realm encourages us to continue exploring and adapting this technology for the benefit of efficiency, security, and transparency in our legal practices. In this video, we will delve into these aspects in more detail, exploring both the current landscape and potential future application of blockchain in law. This is an exciting opportunity to dive into a field that is at the forefront of the intersection between technology and law. To understand the impact of blockchain in the legal sector, we first need to define what it exactly is. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology. This means that instead of storing data on a single server or location, the data is distributed across a network of computers. Each block in the chain contains a number of records or transactions, and each time a new block is added, an exact copy of the chain is created on every node of the network. This ensures two fundamental aspects: transparency and immutability. Once a block is added to the chain, the information it contains cannot be altered without changing all subsequent blocks, which is practically impossible without the consensus of the network. In the legal arena, these characteristics are revolutionary. Take, for example, smart contracts. These are not contracts in the traditional sense, but computer protocols that automatically execute the terms of a contract when predefined conditions are met. This means that if the parties to a contract agree on certain terms and conditions, the smart contract will execute itself once those conditions are met, without the need for intermediaries. This has huge implications for efficiency and security in the execution of legal contracts. Another key use of blockchain in the legal sector is record management. For example, in property registration, where blockchain's immutability can provide a clear and tamper-proof record of ownership, this not only reduces the risk of fraud, but also facilitates and speeds up the real estate transactions. Additionally, blockchain is playing an important role in the protection of intellectual property. It allows creators to register their works in a way that is secure and easily verifiable, providing clear and solid evidence of ownership and authorship. This is especially useful in a world where digital content can be easily copied and distributed. In summary, blockchain is opening new doors in the legal sector, enabling safer, more efficient, and transparent practices. In Ecuador, we are beginning to explore these possibilities, and although the path is new and challenging, the opportunities that blockchain offers to improve our legal system are immense and very promising. Smart contracts represent one of the most innovative and transformative applications of blockchain technology in the legal field. These contracts are essentially computer programs that run within the blockchain network and, upon meeting certain predefined conditions, automatically activate the agreed terms of the contract. This functionality has tremendous potential to change the way legal agreements are made and executed. First, let's talk about efficiency. Smart contracts eliminate the need for intermediaries in many legal processes. Traditionally, contract execution requires several verifications and often the intervention of third parties such as notaries or lawyers to ensure that the conditions of the contract are met. With smart contracts, these conditions are programmed into the contract's code and compliance is verified and executed automatically by the blockchain network. This not only saves time but also significantly reduces the cost associated with contract execution. Another major advantage is transparency and the reduction of fraud risk. In a smart contract, all parties have access to the same set of encoded and previously agreed information. Once the contract is on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or modified without the consensus of all involved parties. This offers a level of security and transparency that is difficult to achieve with traditional contractual methods. Furthermore, smart contracts allow for greater flexibility and sophistication in creating legal agreements. They can be programmed to manage a wide range of conditions and scenarios, making them ideal for complex commercial transactions or agreements that require a high degree of customization. In Ecuador, the adoption of smart contracts is still in its early stages, but the potential is clear. For example, in the corporate sector, our company's law allows societies to use blockchain technology for their operations, which puts Ecuador at the forefront of legal and corporate law worldwide in this aspect. As the legal and regulatory framework continues to evolve to accommodate these technologies, we are likely to see a broader adoption of smart contracts in various areas of law, from commerce to real estate law and beyond. In this sense, smart contracts on blockchains are ushering in a new era in contract law. They offer efficiency, security, and transparency, and have the potential to revolutionize the way legal agreements are made and executed. Blockchain technology is emerging as a powerful tool in the fight for intellectual property, IP protection. Its ability to offer a reliable and secure record has significant implications for creators, owners, and users of IP rights. Let's see how. First, blockchain enables the creation of an immutable digital record of intellectual property. This is particularly important in today's world where digital content can be easily copied and distributed. With blockchain, each work or creation can be registered with a timestamp and ownership data, providing a clear and virtually indisputable proof of who is the original owner or creator. This not only facilitates the correct attribution of authorship, but also provides a solid basis for legal protection in case of infringement or dispute. Second, the decentralized nature of blockchain ensures that the intellectual property record is not controlled by a single entity. This reduces the risk of manipulation and ensures that the information is accessible and transparent to all interested parties. For example, if an artist registers their work on blockchain, that information is available to anyone who wants to verify the authenticity or copyright of that work. Additionally, blockchain can facilitate the transparent management of intellectual property rights. In a world where copyrights, patents, and trademarks are constantly bought, sold, and licensed, blockchain offers a way to conduct these transactions more efficiently and securely. Using smart contracts, for instance, royalty payments can be automated and distributed more fairly and transparently. In Ecuador, the adoption of blockchain for intellectual property protection is still in its initial stages and requires regulation to carry out this type of implementation, but the potential is enormous. As more creators and businesses realize the benefits of this technology, we are likely to see an increase in its use. This will require, in turn, an evolution in our legal framework to address these new challenges and opportunities that blockchain presents in the field of intellectual property. Thus, blockchain offers an innovative and effective approach to intellectual property protection. Its ability to record, verify, and transferize security securely and transparently makes it a valuable tool to fight against counterfeiting and piracy, ensuring that the rights of creators and owners are protected in the digital environment. The application of blockchain technology in the management of legal records and evidence is marking a significant milestone in the legal field. Its impact is profound and transformative, especially concerning the integrity, security, and authenticity of legal documents and evidence. Let's explain how. First, let's talk about the integrity of records. In the legal environment, the accuracy and immutability of documents are fundamental. With blockchain, each record is stored in a blockchain that is virtually immutable. This means that once a document is registered in the blockchain, it cannot be modified or deleted without leaving a clear trail of such modification. This immutability feature offers great security in terms of preserving the integrity of legal documents, from contracts to property records and more. Secondly, let's consider authenticity and verification. Blockchain allows for the quick and transparent verification of a document's authenticity. Each record in the blockchain contains a timestamp and specific data that can be verified against the chain to confirm its authenticity. This is crucial in legal proceedings, where the validity of the evidence can determine the outcome of a case. Additionally, blockchain facilitates the management and access to legal records. In traditional systems, accessing certain legal documents can be complicated and slow. Blockchain offers a platform where records are secure yet accessible to authorized parties, improving efficiency in case management and legal procedures. In the context of Ecuador, the integration of blockchain in the management of records and legal evidence has not yet been contemplated. However, the potential to improve efficiency, transparency, and reliability in our judicial system is clear. As a country, we have the opportunity to adopt these technological innovations to strengthen our legal and judicial framework. In this sense, blockchain is emerging as an essential tool in the legal field for managing records and evidence. Its ability to ensure the integrity, authenticity, and accessibility of legal documents not only improves the efficiency of judicial proceedings, but also increases trust in the legal system. The adoption of blockchain technology in Ecuador, especially in the legal field, is gaining momentum from the corporate sector where it is regulated. Although we are in the early stages compared to some international jurisdictions, the steps we are taking are significant and show a clear commitment to innovation and modernization of the legal sector, at least from the corporate sector, where our country is at the international forefront. Firstly, it's important to highlight that Ecuador has shown a growing interest in exploring the possibilities that blockchain offers in the corporate sector. This is reflected in its initiatives from both the public and private sectors. For example, we have seen pilot projects and proposals aiming to incorporate blockchain in areas such as public record management, document certification, and to some extent in the financial sector, although the latter with certain restrictions are specific regulations. Compared to leading countries in the adoption of blockchain like Estonia or Dubai, Ecuador is still in the early stages of integrating this technology into its legal and administrative system. Estonia, for instance, has implemented blockchain in its electronic government services, and Dubai has done the same in various sectors, including the judiciary. These countries have adopted blockchain not just as a technological tool, but as part of their strategic vision to enhance efficiency, transparency, and security in their public services. However, Ecuador has the potential to follow a similar path. The key will lie in how the government and private sector collaborate to develop a legal and regulatory framework that not only allows but also encourages the use of blockchain. This will involve addressing challenges such as cybersecurity, personal data protection, and adapting existing legal regulations to encompass the unique feature of blockchain. While Ecuador is not as advanced as some jurisdictions in adopting blockchain, there is a growing interest and concrete steps toward its integration into the legal and administrative framework. The key for our country will be to learn from international experiences and adapt them to our own needs and contexts, with the goal of improving efficiency and transparency in our legal and administrative systems. In summary, the incursion of blockchain technology into the legal field is opening a new chapter full of possibilities and challenges. We have explored how this technology is not only transforming the world of cryptocurrencies, but also redefining traditional legal processes, offering significant innovations in terms of security, transparency, and efficiency. Blockchain, with its decentralized and immutable nature, promises to be a key tool in the protection of intellectual property, in the efficient management of contracts and records, and in the authentication of legal evidence. As Ecuador and the world continue to adapt to this technology, at In Solidum Lawyers, we commit to staying at the forefront of these advances. Our goal is to provide our clients with the most innovative and effective legal solutions, taking advantage of the opportunities that blockchain offers to improve and protect their legal interests. In the current legal landscape characterized by rapid technological evolution, it is crucial for professionals, entrepreneurs, and citizens to understand and adapt to these changes. And In Solidum Lawyers, we are dedicated to providing that understanding and adaptation, guiding our clients through the complex but exciting world of law and technology. We appreciate your interest in this topic and invite you to actively participate in this conversation. Share your opinion and your questions in the comments. Your perspective is valuable to us and enriches the discussion. And if you're interested in keeping up with the latest developments in law and technology, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And In Solidum Lawyers, we are here to help you navigate this new legal horizon. Thank you for joining us and see you next time.